With so many options today, finding the right lawyer for your needs can seem like a difficult process, but it really doesn't have to be. There are some key questions you need to ask, and today's legal expert is here to guide you so that you know what to look for when searching for the right attorney.
U.S. citizens living overseas are usually dumbfounded to learn that as U.S. citizens, regardless of where they live and pay taxes, they also have to file U.S. tax returns. These are often more complicated than those of people living in the U.S. The real challenge is finding someone knowledgeable and experienced in U.S. tax to help. Here are 3 questions they need to ask any prospective tax preparer. What formal training do you have in U.S. tax law and tax preparation for U.S. citizens with foreign source income? Remember, income received in a country where a U.S. citizen lives is foreign to the IRS. Can you serve as my U.S. tax representative on Form 2848? That's the IRS Power of Attorney form. Only lawyers, accountants, and certain other designated tax providers can serve as your representative before the IRS. Have you handled an IRS examination of a U.S. tax return filed by a U.S. citizen living outside the United States? Anyone who does not have formal training in U.S. international tax is really not qualified to prepare tax returns for Americans living overseas. Just being a tax preparer is not enough. If the preparer cannot be a U.S. tax representative, he or she will be unable to access your tax records, discuss questions the IRS may have about your return, or act on your behalf before the IRS. A preparer who has not handled an IRS examination will not know how the IRS views foreign income issues. In looking for assistance with their returns, U.S. citizens living overseas should keep in mind the old saying, "In the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king." Due diligence is essential to making a good choice. Ask these 3 questions and listen critically to the answers. It's your tax return, so be careful. We have helped U.S. citizens meet their U.S. tax obligations for more than 20 years. For those who want to learn more or receive a free initial consultation, they can simply go to www.flottco.com or call 703-525-5110. We'll be happy to help.
There you go. Pretty impressive, isn't it? With the best lawyer, taking the next step will be quick and easy. Would you like to learn more by connecting with today's expert? Just call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.